Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 18th of December, 8 p.m. in the night. And guess what? Tomorrow I am riding to India Bike Week, which is happening in Panchagani. So I'm preparing my RS 457, and while preparing I noticed that my brake pads are done. So I'm going to replace the front brake pads on my RS 457. And by the time you are watching this video, I'll be already on my way to Panchagani. So in this video, I'm going to change the brake pads and tighten the chain, so you don't want to miss any part of this video, and hence let's get started with the video. So here is my 457 and I am going to use this brake pad. If you are not aware, previously also I have used the Crank 1 series carbon brake pad. It costs around 3,100 rupees, but I got it for a great discount. Actually, I wanted to go for the Brembo centered pads or the EBC ceramic brake pads, but it is just today evening that I realized my brake pads on the RS 457 needs a replacement. Hence I went to the local market and got these brake pads because I have used it last time. 2 sets I have already used it. This is the third set that I'm going to use. It lasts for around 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers per set. So if rear brake pads does not need a replacement, I'm just going to replace the front brake pads. So first we have to remove the screw which is there on the caliper. Before that, there is a small pin. This is a locking pin which also has to be removed. So we removed that. Yes. हाँ वो पिन है उसका, ये प्लेट रखिए. So this is the bolt that we have taken off, and you can see the brake pads. So this is the tool set that we are using. Next we have to remove these 2 bolts which are holding the calipers in place. Both the bolts are also removed. Now we are going to detach the caliper. So see the condition of the old brake pads. It is completely gone. There is no friction material that is left in these brake pads, and this is also Crank 1 sintered brake pad. It is completely done. So this is the old brake pad and this is the new brake pad. You can see the thickness on the new brake pad. This is the material that was getting eaten up in this old brake pad. You can see it became almost flat. Finally, the fitting has been done, and you can see the new brake pads which is installed. It has good amount of friction material inside it, and here is the old brake pad. It is done with its life, so I'm going to throw it off. And now we are going to tighten the chain on my 457 before the long ride. So to first lose the main nut, we are using this ratchet set. This is a bigger ratchet set that we have. First we are loosening the main axle, and then we will do the chain setting. I have tightened the chain. It is cleaned and also lubricated. Now the motorcycle is ready to ride to Panchagani tomorrow morning. So don't forget to check out the future videos that are going to come on my channel. There is going to be absolutely blast content that is going to come on this channel with regards to the IBW. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's already 9 p.m. I need to pack everything and sleep so that tomorrow morning fresh I start with the RS 457. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.